Alright, in this video we're going to do a short history of NFTs. So let's start from the beginning. NFTs can be traced back to 2012 where a white paper called Colored Coins describes a standard for creating NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain. What's interesting is that at this point Ethereum hasn't even been created yet, but its founder Vitalik Buterin was actually one of the authors of this paper. Then, in 2014, we actually begin to see the first real NFT activity on the Bitcoin network, with NFT cards and memes being traded through a platform called Counterparty. Then, in 2015, the best thing ever happened. Ethereum was born, which is a significant part of the NFT history because Ethereum really unlocked the full potential of what NFTs can do. Following Ethereum's birth, 2 years later in 2017, we start to see NFTs really take off with the creation of CryptoPunks, the most popular collectibles collection in history. And of course, CryptoKitties, which was a popular game that sent the Ethereum transaction fees sky high. Now, in 2021, we have seen records being broken again, with the most expensive NFT called Everyday's, the first 5,000 days, selling for $69 million US. That's a crazy amount of money for an NFT. In the first 6 months of 2021, there was $2.5 billion in NFT transactions. It really feels like the NFT industry just keeps going up and up and up. And I don't think we've seen the top of it at all yet. So it's a very exciting time to be alive, and it's a very exciting time to be building NFTs. I really can't wait to progress with you through this course and start building some NFTs.